Another update, Ellis Hoson post dito sa IG, to ay bago lang 1 hour ago. My biggest dream in life has always been to build a family and I could call mine home. That dream shaped us. It grounded us and for all the beautiful 5 years and more that we were together, we held onto that dream with everything we had. We made that promise to love and fight to stay. And truthfully, we both tired. We both held on for as long as we could. But now, we're learning to let go together. We're releasing that dream so we can finally allow a new kind of peace, growth, and healing to enter. And letting go doesn't mean we failed because what we had has real and it gives us the greatest gift. Oh. And there are moments when we wraps her arms around us, says, "My family belong to me, and she will always be right no matter how life changes, and we will always belong to her, mommy, daddy, her family. That will never change." Mhm. So, ayan na nga, guys. Dito makikita sa komento ng karamihan na ayon sa kanila, sana okay pa ang relasyon, mag-build pa ulit. Bago ba naman ang product ng broken family sa showbiz? Nakakaawa si Phyllis, wala naman perfect relationship pero sana iniisip nila na may anak sila. Chidi Grace and Rafa Miquinto, squalords at iba pang mga artista na nag-send sa kanya ng prayer. Time to dream and new dreams for you and your family ayon kay official Team Yak. So, ayan guys, ang ibang mga netizens nag-send ng emoji na iyak. Naawa sila kay Phyllis and syempre, may pinagsamahan sila and 5 years ni McCoy. And finally, ayun na nga, nagdesisyon na nga sila na hindi na siguro talaga mag-build ang relasyon nila na uwi sa hiwalayan. And always fight for your family no matter what and who stands in the way your child deserves. Complete and happy family. With ayaw ko sana maniwala pero ito na nga, bakit hindi ko napigilan ang pag-iyak ko? Oh. You handle this with such a courage, grace, and tenderness. Ate Liz Hoson says a good, strong mama, Phyllis. Ganyan naman talaga ang buhay, lalo sa mga artista. Magkaroon ng anak at the end, hiwalay ang ending kahit ilang taon pa sila. And that's just really sad because of the end of the day, Phyllis, that's going to be more affected. Hope you guys find a peace, youth, and you're both looking for. Wala naman magagawa talaga ang bata kung talagang ayaw na ng mga magulang sa isa't isa. So, ayan, another trending na naman ang hiwalayan ni Makoy De Leon and Elise Ozon after ni Marco Gallo and Heaven Piralio.